Welcome back to Boo Boo Productions, the most fun place to draw in color. Today we're drawing something super cool and easy. It's the number 1. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing together.
Lines on paper start to grow. Shapes and shades begin to show. Colors blend, they start to flow, creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every mark cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white, bringing colors into the light.
Nice and slow. Up, around, and done. Great job. You're doing amazing.
Lines that twist and never hide. Every image speaks with pride. In my heart, a vision's right. Tracing future with my hand. Every line I understand. In this moment I command infinite lands where I stand. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every mark cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white.
Now it's time to color. Pick your favorite color and make your number 1 super bright and fun.
Red finger here to blue play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played. What a fun, colorful day.
Now that our coloring is all done and looking amazing, it's time to add some sparkle. Let's bring our drawing to life with some shiny glitter magic. Wow! Look at that number 1! You did fantastic! Don't forget to subscribe to Boo Boo Productions for more fun drawings and surprises every week. Come back soon for more exciting videos!